Welcome to Behind the Bricks, Woodlot Edition. Week 20. So we're out here looking at the Woodlot project. We should be closer to the finish line, but we shall see. So I want you guys to come on, take a look. Let's see if we got something good to see. All right, so I decided to start my walkthrough out here instead of actually inside the property. The GC advised me that she was done, except a couple of small tidbits of things that still need to be done. So what we're going to do right now is we're doing the final walkthrough to make sure that we have the conversation with our GC of anything that is missed before the final inspection. So with a 203K loan, you have inspection periods. So we have our HUD consultant that will be out on Monday to do the final inspection for the closing off on the lower level in the first building on Monday. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking a look to see if everything is completed. So currently I see, if you guys can see the windows right now are not completed. Windows should be framed out. There should be trim on here that makes it whereas you do not see that wood part of the window. So currently that lets me know right now trim is not done on the outside of the windows. I'm gonna take a quick look at the ones in the back. Come on, walk with me. You guys can take a look. So there's no trim on these windows either. So as of right now, I see that the outer windows were not trimmed. So now we've left bedroom 1. We're going to walk through the hallway. We're still looking for imperfections and things that might need to be fixed. We see this up here at the top of the doorway is where the drywall was torn. It should have been some mud and tape that was done to it so it could be repainted and blend back in. So into bedroom 2. All right, you guys, as I said, guys, you get an opportunity to look at some of the finishes. Believe me, once we're done with this, it's going to look phenomenal as far as the pieces of furniture that we're going to put in it. So in bedroom number 2, I don't see many imperfections. I see that we got plugs in every area. There's dust on the wall that we're going to just wipe off. That's not dust up there, so we still got areas up there that we're going to put some paint on. And once again, we got those holes that are still here, those air pockets that we were discussing that aren't completely taken care of. So we're going to shut that down. Take a quick look around. Okay, bedroom number 2, we still didn't paint these areas. So this is the actual closet way that we discussed with the contractor that needs to be painted. As I can well see, it's still not complete. So we see a lot of touch-ups of paint. So we're going to keep walking through. All right. Nothing really major in the hallways as of yet. I don't see anything. Except the floor still has little areas that really need some work. And so the trim, as I told her. So I did have a conversation, as I said, with the GC ahead of time to do a quick walkthrough. I told her that the trim was not attached to the wall. And she explained the reason why the trim wasn't attached to the wall. All right, the door for this area is actually 36 inches. The door we have is too large. So we'll take a quick look in this third bedroom, see what we see. Little paint area there. Baseboards are in. Closet baseboards are in. We still got some couple things that need to still be added, but in here we're looking good, except that we have a plug up here that needs to be changed out. So we're gonna do a quick walkthrough in the last room on this level to see what we see. So currently we're in the bathroom. We see the floor still needs to be wiped down. It's filthy. None of the fixtures have been put up into the bathroom because we're waiting for the gentleman who actually does this type of work. He didn't finish this today. So we still have all of those things that are still left to be done. This is our day of doing the walkthrough. We're doing our final walkthrough and our final putting everything together. And I want to say thank you to everybody for helping us get this place from all of the debris that we were gonna have, all of the sweeping and mopping and everything that we got to get done, and just for us to take an opportunity to get everything nice and neat, so that people could actually come in here and have a nice place to stay. So, that all being said, this is the plan. The plan of action is this: that so you two, Marie and Jay, are going to take care of the cleaning. What? Sorry. The cleaning and the putting the rooms together, like putting stuff together. So Trey and myself, we're gonna fix. We're gonna do all the assembly to start. If we happen to finish the assembly, then we'll meet you guys in the middle and start putting the beds and everything together. So, what we decided that will probably be the best way is that we're going to start with getting the washer and dryer hooked up and getting out the way of the person in the kitchen. So we got the kitchen and all the floors. Downstairs has already been cleaned. Did the tray on it. Has been cleaned, but it's decent right now. So what we're going to do downstairs is we're going to go room to room and assemble everything for that room, and we're going to leave that room and then move to the next room, assemble everything downstairs. So we're going to do the kitchen, fix under the sink, find out why it's leaking, or did you already do that? Figure out why the sink is leaking. Okay, so figure out why the sink is leaking, get the sink fixed so we actually get the kitchen clean, kitchen washed up, everything squared away. Then we'll move from the kitchen, move from the sink, dishwasher, the washer dryer. Then we'll go downstairs and start going room downstairs, and then we'll come upstairs and go from this room to that room.
Mm-hmm. Is it still painting to be done in the kitchen?
That little corner.
Oh yeah.
One little corner.
Yeah. The back of the bathroom is complete. Of the paint.
Correct.
Okay.
And I painted it here. What's that dust in the corner? Is that dust? Anyway, so that's the plan of action. So we actually get through this as quick as possible. We have a lot of work to do. Does anybody have any questions?
Is it a wet gel or?
Excuse me, Jay. All right, y'all in the... Come on, babe.
Kitchen filthy. I blame me. You said she was going this way, right?
Excuse me, Trey.
You said she was going this way, right?
I don't know what she was doing. She's doing the roller way, but when she comes back, there won't be nothing enough to do. Let's go back. You get this? Yeah. All right, this video is being taken on Saturday, the 18th of November. So I'm taking a video of the whole walkthrough of how the property has currently been left. And these are the things that we can still see have not been completely done. So we do not have handrails coming down the stairway.
Come get the doorknob.
I got the door already. So there is a wood piece here placed to keep this door closed. So this door currently does not function without this piece. So what we did was we went from nailing the door closed to now that we put a piece here. So a piece of wood is now here that's holding the door closed, which at this point I'm no longer able to utilize this door, period. So currently see the bottom of the doors. As you see, there's no handrail there. This is the edge of the stairs and the carpet. Not stapled down completely here. Put the stair light off. Hallway. So this is the bathroom. So there's supposed to be a shower door here that has not been installed as of yet. As we will can see, the sink. We're waiting for the faucets. This light was supposed to be moved to match up with the area here. I drew a line here and put a piece of tape here a couple of days ago, which they have now removed the piece of tape to where this is not centered. If you look at the light and look at where the hole is of the center of the sink, it wasn't centered. We were supposed to be moving it, but we just put it back up. So I guess we're going to get someone else to do it. The mirrors have not been installed, nor have the handrails. They're still in the boxes here. And transition piece from the bathroom to the hallway is sitting in the middle of the floor as well.
And also missing your what you call a piece to block this off.
Okay. So this is in the closet. As you can well see, this is the open junction box. So we're walking through. We're missing the door. There should be a door in this area here as well. This door that's here is should have been being put up. So right now, as we can still see, it's on the side.
Come here, Freddie.
Alright, garbage bags outside the door. Come in.
I'm right here.
Okay. Garbage bags right here. So all that plastic, just toss it in here.
Huh? I can't tell you if it is.
Okay. recording?
Yes. Purchase price of this property was $210,000, with $170 for building 1 and $40,000 for building 2. Building 1 consisted of 3 beds and 2 baths. Rehab budget for building 1 was $70,000, with an estimated 30 to 45 days of completion of rehab. We came in at $101,000 for the rehab, which was $31,000 over budget. We converted the 3 bed and 2 bath into a 6 bed, 3 bathrooms. Unforeseen issues were there was no heating and no AC in the basement. Electrical was outdated, plumbing was outdated, and there was more concrete work than we anticipated. Project took an estimated 167 days. So we were over 115 days from the original estimated time. Needless to say, the contractor was cut from the project. However, even though with all of the fallacies of that contractor, my family and I were able to bring together a beautiful product for our tenants to enjoy. Estimated after repair value of the building is now $498,000. That's a win. Till next time, that's Rachel out behind the bricks. Please like, subscribe, and share.